Hey, what's up everyone? Hey, there's a wifey right there. And we are picking up my bike right now. If you can hear that in the background. Thanks, babe, for helping me pick up my bike. Pom, pom. And yeah, so now let's reveal the bike. Bam, there she goes. That's the baby. CBR1000RR 2008 with 13,000 miles. And I just bought this baby. And it's time to go for a ride. Alright, let's go. Let's go. And we did it. Oh my god, this thing feels so light. That's the first thing I noticed. Yeah. Oh my god. It feels so light. This is amazing. Yeah, so I just found this off of Craigslist. This is about an hour away from where I live. So this is a journey. Yeah, it feels amazing. It feels like everything I imagined. Oh yeah, it's got the power. It's got the power. It's got the power. Yeah, this thing is smooth. Oh man, this feels amazing. This feels great. I'm so happy right now. Yeah, I feel comfortable on it already. Really comfortable. I was a little nervous, like thinking about riding it home, but that feeling passed fast. That, like, you know, like the saying goes, once you learn how to ride a bike, you never forget. Let me see if he gets a wave. Hey, that's my guy. Oh, what the? It's like a remote control car. Pretty cool. I'm gonna get some gas. Some gas before we head on this long journey. Yeah, an 08 with 13,000 miles. 13.3. Yeah, it's flickable. It definitely picks up. Like a bike like this with like 20,000 miles is probably still around 9 to 10 grand. I think that's just the way the used market is, and this guy was cool. I was able to talk him down to 7,100. This thing feels light though.
Hello, subscribe right now, give a big thumbs up, hit the notification bells right now.
This is my first ride of the season and my first ride on the CBR, and it feels amazing. She needs a cleaning though. She needs some TLC. Yeah, this is a long ride. It feels so stable on the highway. I don't know, I might have to change that exhaust. I don't like the way it sounds. I want something more like a deeper roar, a deeper rumble. But it also might be because I'm in 6th gear, going 5,000 RPMs. Man, I can't believe this is my bike. This is my bike. Well, I can believe it, but dang. It's amazing. Once I get closer to the Twin Cities, I'll probably take the smaller road so I can get used to it. I think I got the highway riding down. It doesn't take much, right? I really hope the audio is working. I haven't made a video with the helmet since like last year, so hopefully everything's still working. I might upgrade everything this year to maybe add another camera. We'll have Jana in more videos riding with me, so I'll get a wireless setup so we can hear both of us or something, you know. Gotta step the game up. It was a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day in May. Now the temperature is dropping though. starting to get a bit nipply. So it's already got the black windscreen, which I love. They smoked out the turn signals, which I love. I mean, there's not much that I will do to this bike but ride it and take care of it. Yeah, it's starting to feel like a piece of cardboard, the seat. We've been riding for maybe about a half an hour. Still got another half an hour to go. Definitely not touring with this bike. This is meant for the twisties, meant for the track. Should I go ride with that guy? Nah. I don't know, I'm at a loss for words here. I always wanted a CBR1000RR. Now I have one. I'm starting to feel it. The fatigue. I'm just not used to it, but like I said, that's always like that for me. The first ride of the season, I gotta start doing my yoga again. Get that flexibility back. Yep, the seat feels like a piece of wood, but that's a sport bike for you. My booty is numb, and I'm sorry if I'm complaining a lot. I think the last time I actually rode was last fall. That's a long time. Must have been like August or something. Or September. No, it was August, last summer. Late summer. That's probably the last time I rode. We're close to home. Yes. We're getting there. And to me, I don't even think this is considered a modern leader bike, because I think the more modern leader bikes, you gotta be pushing close to the 200. This is around like 175 or something like that. Take that turn. So to me, what I believe, what I think Honda's modern leader bike would be the 2017 model. So that one has like what, one high 180 something horsepower.
How can I be able to see you?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I'm ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails are.
Look for me. You about to be on there.
Okay.